Today we have our 1997 993 Turbo. It's got 23,000 miles from new. It has been enthusiast maintained, cared for. It's never been a track car. And it's Porsche's first twin turbo supercar after the 959, which wasn't really a production car. And if you drove one side by side these days, you'd realize how one led to the other, but the 993 would actually run rings around a 959. So we're gonna take it for a ride. Alrighty guys, gals, we're just gonna take it, warm it up a little bit before we get on it, do our flybys, and just show you what a clean, straight, original car this is. It's got an Alpine satellite navigation system. What else can I tell you? Very nice sunroof. Air conditioning works really well. We'll be back to you in a little bit. Okay, we're at operating temperatures. Show you the clutch, brakes, gearbox. Everything feels great. We're going to hit our curvaceous road in a little while. We're not going to go Mach 5 in this one, although it can go Mach 5. Maybe Mach 4. These days are very hard to do these after several bottles of wine the night before. Not easy. Not easy at all. But luckily she cruises. 5th gear, 6th gear, at 1100 RPM. It's 22,420 miles. Okay, well, here we are, the curvaceous road. Not much you could say in these videos about 993 turbos, or for that matter many Porsches, because they're understood to be superb in every respect. Our obligatory quick rush of horsepower. 3rd gear, as you can see, she's pretty happy. person is real happy as well.